Imagine a place where endless golden wheat fields stretch to the horizon, where powerful winds generate clean energy, and where one of America's quietest states is quietly building its future. This is Kansas. Known as the Sunflower State, Kansas is famous for its vast prairies, rich agricultural heritage, aviation industry, and hardworking communities. For generations, Kansas has been the heart of America's farmland. But today, behind its peaceful landscapes lies a story of economic transformation, technological innovation, renewable energy, and new opportunities that are changing the state faster than many people realize. Today, we're uncovering the real story of Kansas and why its future could play an important role in America's economy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest documentaries about US states, world events, and the changing world around us. Now, let's discover what's really happening in Kansas. Kansas sits in the very center of the United States. Its location has made it an important transportation and agricultural hub for more than a century. The state is widely known for its endless wheat fields, earning the nickname, America's Breadbasket. Every year, Kansas farmers produce millions of bushels of wheat along with corn, soybeans, sorghum, cattle, and other agricultural products that help feed both America and the world. Agriculture remains one of Kansas's strongest industries. However, farming today looks very different than it did just a few decades ago. Modern machinery, satellite technology, artificial intelligence, drones, and precision agriculture are helping farmers produce more food while conserving water and reducing waste. Technology is transforming one of the state's oldest industries. Kansas is also home to one of America's largest aviation industries. For decades, Wichita has been known as the air capital of the world. Aircraft manufacturing, engineering, maintenance, and aerospace research continue providing thousands of high-paying jobs. Major investments in advanced manufacturing and aerospace technology are helping strengthen the state's economy. Renewable energy has become another major success story. Kansas is now one of the nation's leading producers of wind energy. Across the state, thousands of wind turbines generate clean electricity while creating jobs and attracting new investment. These projects are helping diversify the economy and reduce dependence on traditional energy sources. Manufacturing, logistics, healthcare, food processing, and technology are also expanding across Kansas. Cities like Wichita, Overland Park, Kansas City, Topeka, and Manhattan continue attracting businesses and skilled workers. Research universities are supporting innovation in agriculture, engineering, animal science, and biotechnology. Despite these strengths, Kansas also faces important challenges. Some rural communities continue experiencing population decline as younger residents move to larger cities for education and employment. At the same time, growing metropolitan areas are seeing increased demand for housing, transportation, and public services. State leaders continue investing in highways, bridges, broadband internet, schools, and healthcare facilities to support long-term growth. Environmental concerns remain another important issue. Kansas regularly experiences severe thunderstorms, tornadoes, droughts, and periods of extreme weather. Water conservation has become increasingly important, especially for agriculture and rural communities. Local governments and farmers continue working together to protect natural resources while preparing for future climate challenges. Despite these obstacles, Kansas continues attracting investment because of its central location, skilled workforce, affordable cost of living, and business-friendly environment. New opportunities in clean energy, aerospace, technology, and advanced manufacturing are helping shape the state's future. The human story, but beyond the farms, factories, and wind turbines, Kansas's greatest strength is its people. Farmers, teachers, engineers, healthcare workers, pilots, entrepreneurs, first responders, and small business owners all contribute to the state's success. Their resilience, innovation, and strong work ethic continue building stronger communities across Kansas. They represent the determination that has defined the Sunflower State for generations. So, what does the future hold for Kansas? The answer depends on how the state balances agricultural tradition with technological innovation, supports rural communities, expands renewable energy, and creates opportunities for future generations. Kansas may be known for its endless prairies and wheat fields, but its future reaches far beyond agriculture. It is a story of innovation, resilience, opportunity, and transformation. As Kansas continues to grow and adapt, it will remain one of America's most important states in the heart of the nation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.